Today I'm popping in to do a quick unboxing of this beginner's embroidery kit. You're going to receive all of these different colors in the embroidery thread. You have 14 different colors here. They all come in this really nice little bag. You're going to get your embroidery cloth that you're going to put inside the hoop. The fabric is all in like a very nice thick duck canvasy type fabric. It's in an off-white, and then it has this very pretty vibrant print on it. So the image is printed onto the fabric, and then it has all of the different types of stitches here that you get to practice with. It gives you the name of the stitch and it shows you right where to do it. This kit comes with the birds. It also comes with this really cute little whale, again with some different stitches that you're going to be able to practice with the names of the stitching again. You have the opportunity to do some more stitching down here in the image. And then this is the third piece of fabric that this will come with. Same thing, everything is printed very nicely. The colors are extremely vibrant and very detailed. It's very easy to see right where you're supposed to stitch over. This is really great for any beginner. You have your French knot, all of the varying sizes and how many times to knot it. You have your leaf patterns, the running stitch, has all of the things that you can learn for your beginning stitches. This package comes with one embroidery hoop that will fit all three of these beginner stitching options. The embroidery hoop is made out of wood. It has the metal tightener on it. It also comes with this nice little package here with everything that you're going to need. Inside the packet, you're going to have a floss organizer card to go ahead and organize all those different colors. You have a pair of scissors. You have a couple needle threaders, different options that you have. You also have a seam ripper here that's included, a nice little tube to store all of your needles in when you're not using them. This kit also comes with 16 different needles, and then it also has a little magnetic needle finder. So you have that as well that comes with it. So you get all of these included in the kit. Then also included in the box, you're going to receive the user's manual on how to get started. You can kind of follow their hands-on demonstrations if you want to, but it also goes through a very detailed list of exactly what you should be doing, how to separate the floss, how to use some of the tools. It also has, you know, how to do a lot of the finish work, how to tidy up the back of your embroidery, everything that the product comes with, and then it goes through each of your stitching options and it kind of tells you what you should be doing, how to do it, where to find information on that, all of the colors that you can use on that one. Overall, very happy with this, very excited to do this with my 11-year-old daughter. This is something we've been working on. This is a product that the manufacturer sent me in exchange for my review. Hopefully I've given you my honest, unbiased opinion on how this product works, and that will help you decide if it's the right product for you or not.